Looks like there's some frost on there. But what's really happened is it's just kind of filled with like condensation. It's soaking wet now, so it's no use anyway, I guess. It's kind of hard to breathe through it.
Oh, the joys of wearing a face mask through our cold Canadian winters.
You have to remember that there's water vapor in your breath when you're breathing out. So when this water vapor comes and hits the mask, it then will moisten it a bit, and the outside cold air can then freeze that. So that's why the mask could get stiff in that situation. Then when you go from outside to inside, that ice can then melt, and if there's enough of the moisture there, it can start to break down the material of the mask, which is why it's important to really try to wear a fresh mask when you're inside, one that hasn't been exposed to either a lot of moisture or ice.
Health Canada agrees that a wet mask is not going to protect you. If you are going to wear a mask outside, a cloth one will be more durable, as paper masks deteriorate more quickly when wet.
Dr. Chakrabarty also mentioned in our interview that you can avoid the uncomfortable nature of a wet or frozen mask by simply not wearing one. If you are outside and you are able to keep distant and away from others, a mask is not required. Now, you may be in a situation like at a bus stop with other people or skiing where masks are mandatory. Then you should have multiple masks on hand so you can change them out if they become wet or frozen.